everybody, I'm Aaron with Turnage Motors in Lexington, 4637 Augusta Road, ConfidentCashCars.com. Well, folks, here's a 2015 Nissan Sentra. This one only has 105,000 miles on it. A brand new transmission from the Nissan dealership, not used, not, just hoping that it's decent. This is actually a brand new transmission in this thing. Anytime we mess with these Sentras, if they need a transmission, they get a new one. We don't buy used ones. If you know anything about Nissans, Nissan has struggled with transmissions for a long time. But the new ones from the dealership are much improved and should last 100,000 miles, if not more, if they've cured some of the issues that they had in the original design. This is, again, a 2015 105 on it. Absolutely runs perfectly. There it is, 105 on the miles. Good cold air. Backup camera. There you go. Bluetooth, all your steering wheel controls. Everything is in very, very nice condition. Super clean. If you're looking for a 35 mile per gallon car that will get you around comfortably, these are actually very, very nice riding cars. Very smooth, very peppy. So yeah, if you're looking for basic, clean, fuel efficient, simple, reliable, you found it. Give us a call anytime, 803-853-4300. ConfidentCashCars.com, and thank you so much for watching.